We start off this session by analyzing the workflow between our app and PayPal. First, when a user books a room, we will create a reservation for that user in our database and then send the data to PayPal just like you see here. So we got a room's name, we got item number which is reservation ID, and on the total price that user need to pay. Alright, so on the PayPal side, this user need to log in and purchase for this room. And once we have the receipt from PayPal, and that means the payment is completed. And there are two things happening here. Right? The first one is that PayPal will send a synchronous request to our app to notify that, hey, this person is complete the payment and do whatever you want. So in our app, we will mark the status of the reservation as completed. The second thing is that PayPal will redirect user back to our application. And in this case, it will be landing to our Your Chips page. That's all about how our app can communicate with PayPal. But here we got a problem. When PayPal sends a request back to our application, it will fail because our app running on localhost. It's not live, so there's no way for PayPal to communicate with it. Now, to overcome these issues, we have two solutions. The first one is to upload our app to Heroku or any real server so that we can get PayPal to work with it. But this approach requires extra effort to create a Heroku account and some setup which is not ideal at this state. The second approach is super easy and quick. We're going to use a web service called ngrok. Think about this. We're running our alien on localhost, then obviously no one can connect to that because it's not live. It's just on our machine. That is where ngrok come in to be a superstar. All you need to do is download the ngrok to your machine and run it. It will create a unique link for you and publish your local app to the internet. Now anyone can connect to your app by going to this link. And ngrok will direct them to your localhost app. How cool is that? This makes our lives so much easier and I love it. Okay, so open your web browser and go to ngrok.com/download. And depends on your operating system, you can select Mac, Windows, or Linux. So here, because I'm using Mac, so I'll just select Mac. Click download here. And I think it just automatically detects your operating system as well, so that's cool. Alright, so once it's done, you can open it and double click on the zip file. Now just double click to this file. Alright, so you might see something like this and just click OK, and instead just right click on that and click open, and now you say open. Alright, so that's done very quickly. I'll just close that. So now you're good to go with ngrok. We'll be working on it and I'll show you how to publish your local alien project to the internet and share it to everyone. It would be insanely easy, and I'll see you then.